What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Mac to factory default. For example, if you're trying to sell, or maybe your Mac is running slow, or you're just trying to start from scratch. Before you do that, you need to back up your data. If you have a lot of important photos or maybe documents or something like that, you have to do the backup. And I already made a video about it, so either you can find it in the description below or in a card. And then once your data is back up, what we need to do, we need to right click on this Apple logo, and then we need to shut down our system, and then click shut down. Once your system is shut down, press the power button, and at the same time hold Command and R, and you'll have to hold at least for 10 maybe 15 seconds, and then you can let it go and it's gonna boot into the utility mode. Once it's booted into utility mode, what you need to do, you need to click on Disk Utility and then click on Continue. And right here, we need to choose our Mac HD, and then we need to click on Erase. And then click Erase here. Once it's done, click Done, and then do it one more time. If you have another drive, for example like mine, click on it, and then click on Erase again, and then click Erase. And then click Done. And right here, what I'm gonna do, by some reason I have two partitions. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna choose one of them, and then I'm gonna click on minus sign, and then it's gonna delete this partition, and I'm gonna click on Delete, and I'm gonna click Done. And now I just have one partition. Once this is done, you can close this window, and right here just select Reinstall Mac OS, and then click on Continue. And if you're not connected to your Wi-Fi, you'll have to connect. Mine, since I was already previously connected, it remembered my Wi-Fi password. And right here at this window, click Continue. And right here, you'll have to click on Agree, and then agree one more time, and then choose your hard drive, and then click on Install. And that's it. Now we just have to wait until it's gonna reinstall Mac OS on your Mac computer. Once this process is complete, we need to select our language and then click Next. And right here, we can choose language, input source, and dictation. And then I'm just gonna click on Continue. And right here, we can connect to the network. I'm gonna skip for now. I'm just gonna click Continue, and then Continue one more time. And then in here, I'm just gonna Continue again. So right here, this is an option. We can transfer our data from the time machine, or from the backup that we did before, or we can do the Windows transfer, or at this time, I'm just gonna choose not to transfer anything, and then click Continue again. Right here, Terms and Conditions, click on Agree, and then Agree one more time. And right here, we need to come up with our username. I'm just gonna type it admin, and then password, and then Continue, and then Continue one more time, and then Continue again. And then you can enable Siri. I'm gonna disable it for now. I don't use it. And then Continue again. And right here, you can choose your look. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna leave it at light, and I'm gonna click on Continue. And that's it. Mac OS is reinstalled on your computer. Now your computer is like fresh out of the box. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.